guys, so we're pretty much back at the Portmore Mall. Some persons were asking like which mall is the biggest mall in Jamaica. Like I'm not even sure if this one is bigger than, nah, babe, you think so that it feels like you're so bigger than Sovereign? This mall bigger than Sovereign?
No, it isn't.
Nah, it's more of an open concept. It's a lot more open than Sovereign, but it's not bigger. Because I think Sovereign goes like about 4 stories up. So yeah, but yeah, we back at this VR thing because Judah's here and Davin's brother, so we're gonna check it out. I'm not gonna show you guys like a whole long video. Yeah, I'm not gonna do no whole long video. You know, but I'm like, yo, why not?
Huh?
Things about a girl that come back with like 10 pounds and stuff.
Which bus?
Sorry. Foot's still the same size though.
With that Stephen Madden.
So of course again, we're coming also, and we are greeted by screams. This time around, what we're gonna be doing like I want to do the race car simulator with what that guy is doing back there, right there, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, hopefully. And what are you gonna be doing, babe?
Huh?
What are you gonna be doing?
What are you to do?
Babe, it's nighttime, you know. Good off. Stop it. Where's the paddle shift? Ready? Alright. Nobody can pass the lift, I don't know why. Because nobody can see 4 laps, right?
I can't pull my seat up a little more. Thank you so much. Yes, great.
What you miss this?
Yeah. Y'all don't even know. Ready. Oh, geez. Oh, have we started? Oh.
Come on, feel the cheese.
That 4-way harness?
Yeah, it looks like.
I got use paddle shift.
I watch how I'm gonna embarrass myself.
What do you think of me? What do you think of me?
Baby, I got wheels. Why you look so serious? Relax. No, I know.
Yo, I get too better. You see that? You see something touching it. Yo, somebody clap. Yo, somebody clap. Somebody clap.
Rock on.
All left hand in this position. Let's take some places.
Baby.
Let's back some people down now, guys. What camera? Shift out, shift out. Oh, yeah. I didn't have more money for this shit. Alright guys, so I didn't beat their times and whatever, but I was the safest driver. My car was clean. My car was clean.
Yeah, nigga, shut up.
But it was fun though. It was really fun. Like feeling like the gears going down and going up. It was dope as shit. But yeah, Drew's about to drive and we'll record it real quick.
So foot flat on the gas when you see it.
Why are you helping her? Stop, that's not fair.
about to try out her possible career path, which is killing roaches. We don't know. What do you think?
Wait. What's she trying out?
Her career path. Kill roaches. I don't know, but
Maybe she could be great at it.
maybe she could be good at it. So she about to do that right now. Judah, like you're 14 again.
Guys, foreign life I do nothing for her, I swear. But again, she wasn't getting the vitamins. Guys, and she wanna skydive. Can you believe this? She don't want to come out of the elevator, she's scared.
That's so creepy, dog.
Busy a cook.
Yes,
Busy
chef.
a cook. She's sweating in the kitchen. Let me that. Alright, so we are a professional now with the cockroach shooting thing now. She's a good on it. Let's see what's up. This is not for your job, and a professional. You can't manage it.
very evident that Judah cannot work with cockroaches. She can't be an exterminator.
Not a ras. Scratch that off. For the
Yo, if there weren't people here to like hold their back in the wall, swear. Yo, that was a very dope experience. I don't like showing you guys the same kind of video, like in such quick succession, but like Judah came, Davin's brother came. I even get the video of Davin's brother well because like he wasn't seeing nothing in the game. He wasn't seeing, he was just like,
Why? Because he didn't have on his glasses?
the glasses, yeah. And he was like, that game was like super dark.
Oh.
Yeah, but it was a good experience, guys. But anyway, we're gonna get ready to go karting again. Like I really wanted to get my GoPro here, but like I didn't have any, like call it, any mounts for the go-kart, so it's whatever. Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna go karting, and I'll catch you guys next time. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link, man.
No lie.